Victor. So, today it's really hot, right? So, in our cooking class, we are making one of the most delicious recipes ever. I like to drink that when it's hot. Do you have an idea? We have some flavors like chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and many others. Yes, today we are making a milkshake. Let's do it. Alright, now let's check the ingredients and the material to make it. Alright? A cup, a straw, and a blender. Milk, vanilla ice cream, pieces of chocolate, chocolate syrup, chantilly, chocolate sprinkles. Okay, so let's do the recipe. Pay attention. Right now, you need to call your mom and dad, okay? Because it's kind of dangerous. So call them and let's do it. First, you put the milk in the blender. After that, you add the ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Add some chocolate pieces. And now let's mix it up. And it's done. It's pretty simple. Now let's decorate the cup. Here, let's use some chocolate syrup to decorate it. Alright? Like this. I love that. Here, you can decorate it the way you want. Okay? A lot of chocolate. You put the milkshake in the cup. Now, you use a spoon to add the chantilly on the top of the milkshake, okay? Okay, you put the chantilly and add some sprinkles. Some chocolate pieces. And the straw. And this is our chocolate milkshake. Now let's try it. It's really, really good, guys. Now, don't forget to do that at your house. Take a picture and tag us on Instagram. Alright? That was our cooking class for today, guys. Bye-bye. See you next class.